Doors will open on the right.
Please mind the gap between the platform and the train. Please alight here for D3 and D2 terminals of Indira Gandhi International Airport.